So, my name is Leah and I work for the PR department of AudaCity Capital, and at the moment we're just conducting interviews to talk with our traders to hear about their journey and how they got into the industry. So my first question for you is just to introduce yourself and tell us about how you got into the industry and Forex.
It started in 2015, and it was one of my friends that was trading, and I wanted to know more about what it was doing. So eventually, he started to teach me a little bit about the Forex market. Then after that, I wanted to know more because when I started to trade, I was losing like all the time and everything. But then I went to take a course from somebody else, and my profitability wasn't that good because I was like an average of 50% win rate. And then after that, I went to another course. And after that course, I started to implement my technical analysis with my fundamental analysis. And with that, I started to know eventually have more confidence. And then I went also to understand how to enter and also how to take profit more often. Because sometimes I was in a winning trade, then I didn't take the profit, and then it came back to a losing trade. So I started to learn from that. So now I get more confidence and more comfortable when I take a trade. And one of my worst mistake was to watch like a lot of pair. Now I'm just focusing on like 3 to 5 pair, and that's how it's more profitable for me to only focus on 3 to 5 pair.
Yeah, that sounds good. That sounds great. It sounds like you're having a good time trading and you know what you're doing. So my next question is, when and how did you learn how to trade successfully? Was it through trial and error, just mistakes, blowing up accounts and realising what you did wrong? Or did you have a mentor, go through some education? So how did you learn what is the best strategy?
Like I say, I think it was when I started to understand when to enter and to get out, and also my psychology also. I work a lot on my psychology to be to have a discipline and not to be worried when the market goes against you. To know the price action, and it's when I started to take profit and also to enter the market at the right time. Also, that I really start to be profitable.
Yeah, that sounds great. So you're with the funded trader program with AudaCity Capital, yeah?
Yes.
How has that been for you so far? This interview isn't based on any performance or anything, it's just how you feel about AudaCity Capital. Is it working for you? Any feedback or anything?
For right now, it's been great. I passed the first challenge, so it's only that I adapt myself with all the restriction to not over leverage and everything. But I think in 1 month, 1 month and a half, if you're working like very consistently, you can pass each steps of the challenge. So now I'm on the step 2, 30K to 60K. So I'm working toward it.
Amazing, that's good to hear. I'm glad you've hit the first target. I'm sure it won't be long till you hit the next one. Hopefully, yeah. Okay, my last question is, what is the best advice you can give to someone who's just starting their trading journey? Any like fundamental advice for beginners or just people who maybe want to get into the industry but don't know, just need some advice or need a push?
I think it's to understand like the technical and fundamental analysis, not only to know the technical level, but also to know what's happening on different country between the US, New Zealand, or GBP. And with that, you make like an idea with it. And with that idea, with your technical analysis, you can get in the market at the right time and also get out or take profit at the right time also, and to be disciplined also.
That sounds
And
great.
best part, I think, also is to focus on 3 to 5 pair, because I used to watch like a 28 pair, and it wasn't because I was forgetting the other analysis that I was doing like some day before, and it wasn't that good for me.